Have you ever noticed tiny dark specks on your nose when you look in the mirror? These little intruders are called blackheads, a common skin concern that many of us grapple with. Blackheads are small bumps that appear on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. These bumps are called blackheads because the surface looks dark or black. Now you might wonder why our noses seem to be a blackhead magnet. Well, that's because our nose has a high concentration of oil glands. This oil, combined with dead skin cells and everyday grime, can plug up our pores, leading to the formation of these pesky blackheads. However, as frustrating as they may be, it's important not to squeeze or pick at them. This can lead to skin damage and even more blackheads. But don't fret. There are numerous ways to tackle this pesky problem, and that's what we're here to discuss today. Experts in the skincare field have spent years studying blackheads and have shared valuable insights. Blackheads are small, dark lesions that appear on the skin, often on the face and neck. They're a type of acne caused when your pores become blocked by dead skin cells and excess oil, also known as sebum. Contrary to popular belief, blackheads aren't caused by dirt. The black color is due to the oxidation of the debris within the pore when exposed to air. Now let's talk about why they form. Hormonal changes can trigger blackheads, leading to increased production of sebum. This is why blackheads are more common among teenagers and people with oily skin. Another factor is hyperkeratinization, a condition where the skin produces more keratin than usual, leading to thicker skin and clogged pores. Certain medications, stress, and even your diet can contribute to the formation of blackheads. So how can we prevent blackheads? Experts suggest a few key strategies. Firstly, maintain a consistent skincare routine. This should involve cleansing your face twice a day with a gentle, water-soluble cleanser to remove excess oil and dead skin cells. Incorporating a salicylic acid-based product can help dissolve the oil and dead skin cells that cause blackheads. Next, it's important to exfoliate regularly. This helps remove the layer of dead skin cells that can clog your pores. However, be gentle to avoid damaging your skin. Overexfoliation can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to more oil production and potentially more blackheads. Also, pay attention to your diet. Foods high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats can trigger an overproduction of oil. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to help maintain healthy skin. Lastly, avoid pore-clogging makeup and skincare products. Look for products labeled non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog your pores. With these expert insights, we can now delve into practical strategies for dealing with blackheads. As the old saying goes, prevention is better than cure. It's a mantra that rings especially true when it comes to skincare. Specifically, the management and prevention of those pesky black spots on your nose, better known as blackheads. So, how does one prevent blackheads from forming in the first place? Well, the answer lies in the adoption of a diligent skincare routine. This involves washing your face twice a day with a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil. Contrary to popular belief, more is not always better. Overwashing your face can strip your skin of its natural oils, causing it to produce even more oil as a result, which can lead to more blackheads. Exfoliation is your next best friend in the battle against blackheads. Using a mild exfoliant once or twice a week can help remove dead skin cells that clog pores and lead to blackheads. Be mindful not to over-exfoliate though, as it can irritate and damage your skin. Another key preventative measure is to avoid certain products that may contribute to blackhead formation. This includes oil-based skincare and makeup products that can clog pores. Instead, opt for oil-free, non-comedogenic products that won't block your pores. Lifestyle changes also play a significant role in preventing blackheads. A well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can promote healthy skin. Hydration is essential too, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Additionally, try to manage stress, as it can trigger oil production leading to blackheads. Lastly, keep your hands off your face. Touching your face frequently can introduce bacteria and oils that can clog pores and cause blackheads. Remember, skincare isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding what works best for your skin type and sticking to it. And while it may take time and consistency to see results, the reward of clear, blackhead-free skin is well worth it. It's not just about dealing with blackheads when they appear, but preventing them from forming in the first place. Now, let's talk about what to do when blackheads have already formed. Blackheads can be a pesky problem, but worry not, there are numerous methods available to help you combat them. These methods can be divided into three broad categories: skincare products, home remedies, and professional treatments. Starting with skincare products, there's a wide array of options available in the market. Salicylic acid is one such ingredient found in many over-the-counter products. It's a beta-hydroxy acid that penetrates into the pores and dissolves the sebum that causes blackheads. Another product to consider is a retinoid cream. Retinoids speed up cell turnover, which prevents dead skin cells from clogging pores. Now, if you're interested in a more natural approach, home remedies might be the way to go. One tried and tested method is the use of a honey and cinnamon mask. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, and cinnamon improves blood circulation for healthier skin. Simply mix equal parts of honey and cinnamon, apply the paste to the affected area, leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then rinse it off. Another home remedy involves using green tea. Its antioxidant properties can help reduce oil production and inflammation. Just steep a couple of green tea bags, let it cool, and then apply it to the blackheads. Lastly, we have professional treatments. For those stubborn blackheads that resist all other methods, you might want to consider booking an appointment with a dermatologist. They can offer treatments such as microdermabrasion, chemical peels, or even laser therapy. These procedures can be more effective, but also come with a higher price tag and potential side effects. In conclusion, there's a world of options when it comes to blackhead removal. Whether you prefer store-bought products, DIY home remedies, or professional treatments, the key is to find what works best for your skin and to be consistent with it. Remember, not every method will work for everyone, so it's about finding what works best for your skin. While removing blackheads can be satisfying, it's essential to do it safely. Let's dive into the do's and don'ts to ensure you're doing right by your skin. First off, resist the urge to squeeze. It might seem like the quickest solution, but squeezing can lead to skin damage and even more blackheads in the long run. Instead, opt for a gentle approach. Use a blackhead removal tool if necessary, but always with caution. Remember, your goal is to unclog pores, not to wage war on your skin. Now let's talk about the do's. Do use a gentle exfoliator. Exfoliating helps in removing dead skin cells that can clog your pores and lead to blackheads. But remember, less is more. Over-exfoliating can irritate your skin and make things worse. Aim for once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. Do hydrate your skin. Keeping your skin adequately hydrated can help prevent blackheads. Dry skin can lead to excessive oil production, which can clog your pores. Use a moisturizer suited to your skin type, and don't forget to drink plenty of water. Do cleanse your skin post-removal. After you've removed a blackhead, it's crucial to clean the area to prevent bacteria from entering your open pores. Use a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser to ensure your skin stays clean and clear. On to the don'ts. Don't use your nails. This can cause scarring and introduce bacteria into your pores, leading to more blackheads or even infections. Don't ignore your diet. What you eat can affect your skin. Foods high in oil and sugar can lead to more oil production, which can lead to more blackheads. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And finally, don't skip sunscreen. Sun damage can lead to more blackheads by causing your skin to produce more oil. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen every day, rain or shine. By following these guidelines, you can safely and effectively rid your nose of blackheads. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable information on tackling blackheads. It's time to bid farewell to those pesky spots that have been causing you concern. The methods outlined in this video are proven to be effective in many cases and are worth giving a try. Remember, diligence and consistency are key when it comes to skincare. It's all about finding what works best for your unique skin type and sticking with it. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Skincare is a journey, not a destination. We invite you to embark on this journey, try out these methods, and share your experiences. Whether it's through the comments section here or on your social media platforms, your trials and triumphs can encourage and guide others on their skincare journey. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Stay patient, stay consistent, and you'll find the method that works best for you.